$392,000 in 92 days. In our $1 million account, we made $392,000 in 92 days. We're going to give you our trades today for the entire week. This is the week of February 17th, 2026. Let's get right to it. Here's the trades that our account, our $1 million trading account. You can see exactly what we put on for the entire last 92 trading days. We've made $392,000. Notice that we've done 13,482 trades. We've sold $3.7 million worth of premium and captured 10%. In our $30,000 account, 92 days, trading days ago, we started off with $30,000. Now that's all the way up to $43,000. So we've made, 13,000 plus, selling $216,000 worth of premium, making 2,300 trades. So we've had some pretty good fortune. Let's get to the trades that we're actually going to be putting on this week. Here they are. These are the trades that we're going to be putting on in the smaller account, in the $30,000 account. These are the times we're going to put them on. When it says $3, that means you're going to do a $3 target price for the short leg on both the put credit spread and on the call credit spread. So on the short leg, you're going to target $3 on the put side. You're going to target $3 on the call side. These are multiple entry iron condors. The stop loss is 95% on all of these, and the stop loss applies to the short leg only. So that short put leg, you're going to, just for that leg, you want a 95% stop loss. And for the call, short leg, also 95% stop loss. So on each one of these, you're going to have a short put and a long put and a short call and a long call. But the $3 is just on the short put and just on the short call. The 95% stop loss, again, just on the short put, just on the short call. Notice that we do have some bunching. Notice that the last one's at 15.23. Let's go to the next one here. And this is going to be for the large account. And again, these are going to be the top 20 trades that we're going to be putting on. We're actually going to be putting on almost 100 trades this week in this account, but these are the top ones. Notice that we've got a lot of bunching at 1207. Notice they're all multiple entry iron condors this week, except for one exponential moving average. And on that one, we're going to use the 20-minute over the 40-minute. That tests out the best. All of these trades are based on almost 7 million backtests. We backtested over almost 7 million trades this particular weekend, and these are the ones which we think have the highest probability of winning. Look, no one can predict the future. No one can predict exactly what the trades are, what the best trades are. Do your own diligence. Don't copy us. But if you want to follow along, these are the actual trades that we're going to be putting on this week. You can lose all your money trading stocks and options. This is not financial advice. Our lawyers want us to put that in. If you have any questions, go to our Discord. We're in there almost all the time. We do a show Monday through Friday, and we typically come on the air right around 3:45. We might come on a little bit earlier this week just to see if we can't get some of these other live trades in. But at 3:45 for sure, join us. We'll be on there for at least 15, 20 minutes. We have a live chat room. You can ask me any questions you want live. I'll be happy to answer them if you have any questions about what we do, how we do it. And we'll also be doing a few crazy Ivans, and you can learn how to do those. I hope you have a great trading day.